Morning and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Monday 29th of November. Now, European markets giving up their early gains this morning. The high was around at 9:30 this morning, but around 11 a.m. we've retreated back into negative territory, a distinct lack of a holiday feeling after the US Thanksgiving break. FTSE 100 is currently down around 20 points, 56.55, and the news of Ireland's Ireland's economy bailout, 85 billion euros signed off over the weekend, has given a little bit of banking strength across Europe, but starting to ebb away now as we move further into the day. The French and German governments have come out and said that the euro has been saved with this bailout, but still there's worries over Portugal and Spain, and this is still going to continue over the coming weeks. Elsewhere, news is pretty thin, and BP have made the financial press on Sunday. It's probably the biggest story of the weekend. They've sold out their $7 billion stake in Pan American Energy, the Argentine company, and this is helping BP maintain its progress of its planned asset sales of $30 billion for the year. Elsewhere on the FTSE 100, we've got Resolution and Kingfisher, the big fallers today, down 2.5% apiece. Let's look for any more interesting news. You have to go outside of the top blue chips. We're looking at Salamander Energy today. They're up 5%, reporting a significant gas find in Indonesia. And AVN Communications are enjoying a bumper day. They're up 13% at the moment. This is after the broadband company successfully deployed a satellite over the weekend, released from Ariane 5 rocket on Friday. Now, looking at the euro, keeping our eyes on a euro watch, if you like. The euro is at significant lows again, around some pretty significant technical areas. It's at 132 even at the moment, still around its low for the month and for recent times. It's actually given up nearly 50% of the June to November rise, from about 119 to 142.50, given that up within a month, less than a month. So it's still pretty rocky road for the euro, and we're expecting it to remain choppy in the coming days. Now, with US markets back after the Thanksgiving break, there's not a lot of news on the horizon. However, Korea looks to be the dominant story. US conducting military drills with South Korea over the weekend in the waters off the coast of Korea, and that's kind of making things a bit tense, and there's certainly still security fears there. Calls for China to become more involved as well in the diplomacy. I think this is going to possibly be the dominant story for US markets this week. They had a fairly weak day on Friday in light of trading on their half day. We're expecting them to be weaker again this morning. We're calling the Dow down around 30 at 110.62, and the S&P down 2 at 11.87.